Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis video. So as discussed last week on Tuesday, so the data points were highly negative and we discussed every day whether further fall is going to come or not, and every analysis went correct, and you saw that like market is falling, and after that, and so again with the help of the data points we'll discuss everything. And also remember that tomorrow we don't have expiry, and leaving tomorrow, the rest of the December we have everyday expiries. On 25th you have a holiday, that's why on 24th you have Bank Nifty expiry. And yeah, so now let's discuss with the help of the data points, and also let's discuss what happened on Friday. And also remember that these are monthly expiries, and we should expect some huge volatility. And also the HFT traders or the HFT firms are going to be back during this because this is their moment. Okay, almost every day they will be having expiries, and so this is their moment. And so as we do, like, we have to catch these HFTs, and it could be it could be a very big opportunity for the option buyers especially. So you just have to catch these HFT guys when they are buying, and that could give a great opportunity. Okay, and yeah, so let's discuss. That is last day talking about so it was Sensex expiry. So talking about Sensex expiry again, you know that all the levels that were discussed, and even on Thursday I said that like finally it could take support at 200 EMA on one day chart. So if you go and look at one day chart, you'll see that exactly it took support at 200 EMA. But also looking at the intraday, that is, it went up but got exactly resistance at our level 79,572, which was discussed earlier. Then one candle and it came down to our next support. It tried to take support twice, but then this was the breaking point, and while this was breaking, someone did try to take it up again, but they failed, and then finally it went down. And yes, so for the trades that were taken, so here if you see, this is 20th December. Again, this is the same Telegram channel, guys. And for 20th December, like if you can see here, that is first some trade. These are all the trades. So let's not go one by one and waste time. So again, overall, like only one buying trade went wrong, where like someone was trying to take it up here. Otherwise, all the rest of the trades were correct, and overall, it's giving for the buyers 150 points, and for the sellers, like more than almost 100 points. So, anyways, or let's consider 80 points. So the main point is that if you want such analysis during the live market hours, you can be a part of the derivative syndicator group, where you get access to the money flow indicators and complimentary access to the Telegram channel. And yeah, talking about our money flow indicators, if you see here, that is though Nifty made a high, it tried to it broke yesterday's high, like the last day, that is Thursday's high, right at the beginning. If you see here on 5 minutes chart, so it broke the last high. Even for Nifty also, like if you see the level 24,061 exactly got resistance there and came down. So all the levels worked even for Bank Nifty as well. So Bank Nifty is also taking support at one of our levels, and Nifty also taking support, took support 23 535. So all the levels worked out. Okay, so yes, though Nifty made was trying to break the broke yesterday's, the last day's high, but still if you see here, that is the score did not go much higher up, though it was sometimes negative to neutral, and then finally from 954, so it was highly negative. Okay, and yeah, there was some neutral, the score went neutral in the middle, and then again into the negative zone. And talking about Bank Nifty also, a similar situation, if you can see scenario. Okay, so Bank Nifty score ends in a highly negative zone, so which is indicating that I mean uh, short positions have been built by the big guys. Okay, and yeah, now talking about on the chart, so again we should be very careful near about 23 300 or 23 200. The last time it took support there. So if that breaks, again we have said that the next move or the next fall is going to be, it's going to be a bloodbath. Okay, otherwise, like again, we should see carefully that whether it's taking support here or not, and all these levels have been marked. And talking about again Bank Nifty as well, these are the next levels. I have also discussed these earlier as well. Yes. Now, talking about the EOD data, so if you look at the EOD data, so then further short positions, so the FIs are now making huge short positions. Now, what happens is that these FIs, future short positions, I don't feel comfortable to follow them because, as soon as they like start reaching a certain point, market starts reversing. Okay, so but on the other hand, the prop dex data, so that if they are shorting or making long positions in the futures, huge long positions, so that is kind of reliable. So though they haven't closed the huge futures short positions which they have made, but they have made a long position. So I think some other prop decks, so there are many institutions, right? So I think some other prop decks, they are expecting some up move or some center rally. And let's look at the options position. So options, if you look at here, FIs have made some put writing positions and also call writing the last Friday. But on the other hand, the prop decks, they have made put buying and call writing, or you can say like see, you will see say that call buying is more, but you see almost the same quantity. So some prop decks, I think they are a little bit bullish, so they have bought calls, but overall there are a lot of prop decks who have shorted, okay, calls. So that's how you have to see the data. And now, like talking about the overall position, so overall positions are saying that the FIIs have made call writing positions, and again put buying is not a huge amount, so I would consider them as put writing. Okay, so call writers and put writers, they are now some more put buying they have. But let's look at also like for the prop decks. So the prop decks, they have again this is a good amount of call writing from the prop deck side, and they look at the put writing, so it's negligible. So they have put buying. Okay, overall they have put buying and call writing. So overall data, if you look at here, that is some data like futures short, which are like 15,000 quantity has been built up. And so and also like the FIs, they have made some put writing, so which suggests that somewhat some up move can come, some relief rally can come, but again not a huge up move, but some relief. Okay, like let's say for example, Nifty suppose goes up by 20 again to 23,850 or something, and then again starts getting resistance. So things like that is expected. And again, if suddenly like again these levels break, so obviously bloodbath will continue. But if the levels are not breaking and taking support, so again we might see some relief rally, but overall scenario will be like on a sell on rise mode. And because overall data is bearish, slightly some data are positive, so that's why I'm expecting some relief rally. But though that relief rally might come, but again we will see some resistance coming into the picture. Okay, and yes, so again try to understand that majority of the positions being writing positions, so we might expect consolidation as well, because writing position doesn't mean that the market has to fall other until unless it's in the money. Because you see, when I was making these videos, so I clearly showed that monthly option chain 24,000 when Nifty was at around 20, above 24,300. So then I was making those videos and I showed that option chain was saying that in the money 24,000 monthly option chain call writers are there. Okay, on Wednesday, on Tuesday I showed. So if in the money call writers are there, then we can be bearish. Otherwise, like again, as you know, like if they are out of the money, so then you can expect like if even market ends flat, they will ultimately be profitable. So anyways, looking at Bank Nifty which has like 2 days to expire, so tomorrow it will be 1 day to expire. And yes, so talking about that, you see that majorly like they have made 52,000, 51,500, 51,000 there, the call writing has happened. And yeah, so also like far out of the money, like 50,000, 50,100, the writers are closing. Talking about Nifty 24,000, now the call writers are dominating there. And below we have writing positions even at 23,500 as well. As you can see, almost 14 lakhs contracts have been built. And also, like talking about the put side, in the money put covering is happening. Put writing, they are writers are covering. And also, but if you see here, that is 24,056 lakhs contracts are still there. So that's what I said, like I mean, in those earlier analysis, that is, while they have bought puts, so we should always consider them as put buyers and not put writers, okay? And also, if you see again, put side overall is not looking good. 23,500, yes, there is some OI, but again, as I said, like since the data is overall bearish, so let's consider the call writers, and also let's see where in the money call writers are there. So again, that's it, my overall analysis. And if my analysis are helping you all, so please don't forget to put a like. And if you want to be a member, so don't forget to grab the coupon code, which will only which will expire on 25th and December. And yeah, that's it for this video. So thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.